Hey, Marvin. It's so nice to have you here. Really appreciate you coming in. You know, a lot of patients have difficulty getting in because they're scared to go to the office. Could you share a little bit about your experience here at Designing Smiles?
That's one of the best things about coming here. I've had a lot of surgeries and I'm kind of adverse to pain. And you all don't hurt me here. And that is priceless when you've been through some of the stuff that I've been through. And if you're having to beat yourself in the door, you're already lost. I like not having to do that here.
And how's the staff treated you?
They're great. They put up with me. I can't believe it. That's it. And I'm a pain in the butt. There's times I have problems with these things, and I've had a lot of work done because of it. And sometimes it can be a chore to have to keep working on this stuff, but nobody's give up on me yet.
Well, it's a pleasure to have you. I always enjoy you coming in. We have a good talk and a laugh.
Yeah, well, too big to cry.
Thanks so much.